In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly get started with Kapwing, a versatile and user-friendly tool for all your multimedia projects. Whether you're crafting a video, editing an image, or refining an audio clip, Kapwing offers a seamless experience. We'll guide you through the initial steps of getting your media set up and ready for editing. Let's dive right in by navigating to kapwing.com. Once you're there, look for the Create New button. It's typically a prominent feature on the homepage, designed to quickly get you started on your creative journey. By clicking this, you're essentially opening a new project space where all the magic will happen. Next, you'll want to upload the media you wish to work on. This could be a video, an image, or even an audio file, depending on your project's requirements. To do this, click on the Upload Media button, which will open a window for you to select your files. Browse through your computer or device, find the file that you need, and select it for upload. Kapwing accommodates various file types, ensuring flexibility in whatever format your media might be. Once your file has successfully uploaded, you'll notice a thumbnail of it appearing on the screen. Clicking on this thumbnail is a crucial step, as it signals to Kapwing that you're ready to start editing. This action will bring your media directly onto the canvas, providing a visual workspace for you to manipulate your content. On the canvas, you can see your media piece prominently displayed, giving you a clear view of what you're working with. At the same time, the media is automatically added to the timeline located at the bottom of the screen. This timeline is where you'll conduct most of your edits, allowing you to adjust the duration, cut sections, add effects, and so much more. It's a powerful tool that underpins the editing capabilities of Kapwing, designed to be intuitive and accessible for users of all skill levels. There you have it. You've now uploaded your media onto Kapwing and are ready to explore the diverse editing features it offers. Remember, the key to mastering any new software is a willingness to experiment and explore, so feel free to try out different tools and effects to see what works best for your project. As you become more familiar with the platform, you'll find countless ways to bring your creative visions to life. Thank you for following along today. We're excited to see what you create using Kapwing. If you have any questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to reach out through the comments. Happy editing!